What's up, pet geeks?
Komm schnell! Guck mal!
This cat clearly runs the house. Well, that's one way to piss off the cat. Gotta show off the toe beans after cleaning them. Now I know why cats like bags so much.
Elliot, what's it? Oh,
Just your friendly neighborhood cat dealer.
I'm so glad I have a useless cat. There's the cat.
Why are you such a weenie?
I don't want it jumping out in the house. Oh my gosh, Willie.
I think we'll just close
No!
it.
Out. You want to come out? Open the door.
Interesting fact, this mama right here is breathing so heavily because she's about to give birth to 6 new kittens. Congrats, mama.
Woman, why you make me do this? What is that? I kinda like it. Oh yeah. Give me more. On the ears. Oh.
And here's my little one. Cute, right? But low key, she's a thief.
Hey! Loon, no. Put it down. Hey.
Hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time.